Welcome to our modern cashew factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how raw cashews are transformed into premium nuts enjoyed by millions around the world.
Huge drying yards and industrial dryers reduce moisture from raw cashew nuts before shelling. Moisture control is critical to ensure the quality of the kernels inside.
Looks like the shells are ready for extraction. Yes, the softening process was successful this cycle. Let's proceed.
Every kernel is carefully extracted to maximize quality and value.
Every cashew product undergoes rigorous inspection before shipment.
And that's how cashew nuts are made, canned, from tropical orchards to premium snacks enjoyed around the world.